Assalamualaikum everyone, and I follow with my channel Mighty and most massive. So in this video this is my series of kotline. So in series we are going to do full kotline course in free. After seeing this course you will be able to do kotline. So what is kotline? Kotline is compatible of JavaScript, the same of JavaScript, and easy to learn. If you had learned JavaScript, so you know that there is console.log and used to make sites JavaScript. So Kotlin use the same. Kotlin used to have Kotlin used to make applications, websites, totally used for web development. So now we are going to discuss in which text editor we are going to do Kotlin. In Replit we are going to do Kotlin. If you had seen my courses, so you know about Replit. This is Replit. So if you hadn't joined my courses, so you can join it. So Replit is a free editor. You can log in it in easy way. First we are going to this was the introduction and the text editor one. So I am going to meet you next time. Allah Hafiz.